Welcome back to our 18th C# tutorial. Now this one's just going to be a short one for those of you that don't want to just see every little detail and how we can actually do things. You can skip this video and go on to the next one. For those of you that just want to stick around and watch this video, it'll only be about a minute and a half. Now I've built a string. I'm going to run this, and what I've done is I've just used a little bit of tabs and new lines, and if we look at this, we've got one tab, two tab, and a new line, just ending things when they need to be. Now you might, sorry, wrong one. Might take a look now. Aside from the tabs, which I've used to sort of highlight where they to highlight where a space should be, but there isn't one in this. I've used new lines to basically end it where you would expect there to be a new line if in a song. And you can probably tell this is ABC by Jackson 5, I think. And we go down one line, we just take a look now. That's one of the ways that we can use a string. The other way is, especially, this is a pretty important thing, and it's just something that you might want to consider if you do actually wind up doing anything regarding a project or something at uni, high school, or even, well, I think those two are only the main places that you would normally do this kind of thing. But I remember in one of my units at uni or college, and we had to type out questions and give us options on what to do. Now, most of the class, myself included, did this with 5 different write lines, but we could have just done it all with one, and from there we could have let the user input the one that he wanted or she wanted, and then run the sections of code related to that, which we will cover at some point in the future. But just from here we could then write in our questions and then use new line, and that's what this new line thing is very useful for in this circumstance. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.